Hi guys, this is Sri from Textros. So today I will show you how to install MTZ file in Xiaomi phones. Okay, the main purpose of the MTZ file is to theme this Xiaomi phone. Okay, so first thing you have to go to any browser, type here MIUI Tmax. So it will fetch you a site. So in that, so choose any, like a theme in the site, make it download. So it will download the theme. After downloading the theme file, you have to go themes. Okay, in that you have to select my account, select theme and choose my themes collection. So it will fetch you to the files, go to the storage, download and choose the theme. So it's the way you can apply the theme. So right now I'm going to apply the theme. So right now the theme is applied. You can see all is changed. You can see the interface right now after I install that theme. So this is a way you can install the third-party themes in Xiaomi phone. Thank you so much guys. Bye. Have a nice day.